sent from above. I'm not that innocent. Oh, you gotta make sure you destroy that copyright and demonetize the video, because otherwise, where would we be? Where would we be on YouTube? Anyway, so today we have all these cool things in the background. Look at this. Look at this. We have Joe Obama over here. Is that a Stegosaurus? It might be. It might be. What is that? Triceratops and what's the other one? The skeleton is the Triceratops, and then the Tyrannosaurus Rex is probably Donald Duck. Although look at that, he became alpha. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire, as they say. Oh my gosh. Anyway, still not completely over all of the sickness that never ends. Oh yes, my friend. As Eli the computer guy will keep telling us. And look, we have pyramids. The thing about debunkers that really gets me wired up is they don't say that, there's nothing underneath the pyramids. They just say, and they criticize the technology that was used to say that there's something underneath the pyramids, right? And what I like to say is what Casper Sight might say. He said, get a job. And I don't mean like, just get a job. Just, instead of debunking it, get a shovel. Go to Egypt and dig underneath the pyramid and find out what's truly down there. Look at this. We've got some owls. Huh? Because Stephen Greer said that the galactics may have an owl agenda over there. And then we've got the eagle, because we do live in the US of A. Whatever's left of it. Whatever's left of it. Then we have to have robots, because Elon Musk and the AI agenda. And we've got Star Wars, because you need something useful to do from time to time, and you go watch a movie like, I don't know, Superman sounds pretty fun. And then you've got the egg, the magical egg. And what happens when you find the egg? You open the egg, and inside you find a jet. Look at that. You find a jet. Just like when you find an egg, Jake Barber might find a galactic species inside. Anyway. Oh, it's almost Easter, isn't it? Isn't that crazy? It's almost Easter. We could make cool things. Guys, we could make cool things if we wanted to, like an AI with a button on it. So if if Disney or Hollywood produces a video that is too woke, you say, I would like to unwokeify this video, and it just unwokeifies it. Or if you find that it's too misogynistic and all a bunch of isms, you can just say it, woke it up, man, woke it up. Oh, if only AI was actually useful for something, instead of just being large language models that don't do a whole lot. But anyway, I brought this cool thing here. And if you guys want to see what this looks like, you're going to have to change the entire view and look at it from the other side. Now, the issue that I'm going to have now is, how do I show you guys this cool thing? And basically, it's a mask that I made, but one of the issues that I found, and it's not finished yet, because as you can see from the side, and you probably won't be able to see the side unless you use that finger of yours on an iPhone where you can spin the camera, or if you're on the computer, you can literally just click, like I think is it right mouse, click on it and then drag it, and you can see my ugly mug, my extremely ugly mug in the back here. And I am here with my favorite galactic impersonation. Anywho, in the next video, because we're about 5 minutes, I will go into more detail about this cool mask that I have, pajama mask that I've recently made, and I will show you some of the stuff that I learned while trying to do that, which is hopefully interesting. If not, I don't know what to say.